Hey guys, so another video today. I have rented out this flat that you might have seen in other videos. It is fantastic, beautiful refurb, everything all done. There's even a pigeon up there. And the tenant asked for a fence. So the fence was broken between myself and the neighbour. Now the new fence has been put in just there. And I've been told that apparently I need to paint that fence, because without it being painted, if it's not painted, then it's not great because it doesn't have the right protection or something like that. So what I'm looking to do now is go in, paint it, and see if it works. I bought some grey paint, so hoping for the best. Wish me luck. I'm gonna go and do it. Hey guys, so what I'm having to do is go back home, get an extension lead, because there's a few electrical tools that will have to be used. But basically I've realised that the front fence, the one that's been kept, the one that looked okay to me, is actually like partly rotten and partly destroyed. So what I'm going to try to do is disassemble a part of it and put a few new bits on it just to make it look a bit more tidy and nice. The guy that's doing the fence is finishing up at the back, so me and him will do it all together. Hopefully get the front fence renewed, and then that will be all the fencing sorted. So I'm going to have to mess around with that a bit more. I'm going to have to get a hammer, extension lead, a few other things. Hopefully get it sorted today. I've got the time now after work anyway. Wish me luck, and I will show you very soon what I'm talking about. So those are the tools. We've got those massive things for breaking. The hammer is a bit of a joke. It's tiny, but that's all I've got at the moment. And we've got the extension. So that's all I will need, hopefully. I also took some pliers as well, just in case. So as you can see there, the existing fence is just crap. So I'm taking those bits off and hopefully I can put a few new ones on it, just to make it look a bit more presentable. And this is my trusted tool to get it done. So this is taking ages. As you can see, that's before, that's after. I'm not sure what looks better, but hopefully this will protect it. But because you have to keep going back and forth, because there's all those bits inside, and you have to get the stain all the way in. So it's a bit of a nightmare to get it all done. I'll be here for a while trying to do it. Kids screaming there. Hey guys, quick update. So I'm still painting. It's been like 3 hours or something. This one coat is done. This is done. The door is now looking a bit better. And then from the outside, it's looking quite decent. Yeah, this is a nightmare. So it's going to be 5-10 minutes, but this is an absolute nightmare. So I'm going to try to do the bottom bit, and then that should be me for today. Alright, so I'm too tired, but this is the result. This is all done. My extension lead. The flat is all good. I'll show you from the outside. This is it from the outside. The door has been partially done. So a lot of work. I need to come back and remove all of this rubbish still. All this crap. But yeah, it's looking nice. Really nice.